Hey guys, Melissa Colledge here from Colledge Creations. I am going to show you a sympathy card today. I'm using the early Espresso Ink Pad. We're going to use the standard A2 size for this card. I really like this stamp set, the Heartfelt Sympathy, and the words that says, remembering the life of someone so special and sending thoughts of sympathy and peace. I'm going to run the sentiment through the Big Shot using the stitched framelit shapes, which they're really pretty. We use them all the time. And I've already pre-cut my paper. I'm just going to cut this doily in half so I can use it on the second card. I usually make more than one card at a time. So I'm going to use the tear tape on the back of this. Little doily right in the middle so you can stick it where you want to. I like to check and make sure these little tabs aren't going to stick out, so I'll cut those off and get them out of the way. I'm going to put some of this tear tape on the back of the ribbon and wrap it around the back so it won't flop around or fray. It's kind of being tricky. Doesn't always want to come off, but I love to use this stuff. So place it where you want to and just kind of tuck it behind the back. It doesn't have to be really straight because we're going to layer things on top of it anyway. Then go ahead and add your adhesive to the back. I'm using Fast Fuse to stick mine on just because it's what I had handy. I like to press it on there and make sure it stays really well. And I'm going to stick it on to the card front using Fast Fuse again. And just make sure it stays on there. Then I'm going to take that oval that we used the Big Shot to cut out and put it where I want to. Oh, I forgot to put the sequins on, so I'm just going to tuck them behind. And then stick it right on front so it won't go anywhere. And I'm using dimensionals, and I did it twice, and I used way too many dimensionals the first time. They just keep coming. That's okay, I just didn't want it to fall in anywhere. Pretty much get made fun of every time for that. I don't always use that many though. As you can see, the magic of movies. This one doesn't have as many, and I messed up on that one, so I'm using the back. That's why paper has two sides. That's the great thing about making a homemade card. It doesn't have to be perfect. And there it is. Have a great day. And here's a list of the items I used in the video. You can order them from my online store, www.collegecreations.stampinup.net, and feel free to email me questions or comments, and all of the item numbers will be in the video description as well. Have a great day!